Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. We're going to do a test shot on a Profitec. We rebuilt the E61 style group head, as well as replacing both valves and doing a descaling on the machine. And this machine's running really good. Here we go. It's just test coffee, but it's coming out really nice. Notice the gauges going right up here to 9 and 10. We have the temperature. Cut that short, maybe a long shot. Anyway, let's check the steam. We'll give it a quick purge. Ooh. Nice, strong, dry steam. Water valve. And both of them feel really good. They turn right on and off. Anyway, thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page.